Hey guys, it's Chris, and it is Wire Fraud Prevention Wednesday. So I wanted to share with you all, for those of you who don't know, there's a pretty substantial problem happening in the real estate space right now with wire fraud. And if you're a buyer and or seller, essentially the way the fraud happens is a hacker. Most of these hackers are based in Nigeria, and they work with folks in the United States, but they're primarily based out of Africa. These are international, sophisticated criminal organizations that are hacking into, a lot of times it's real estate agents or title office email accounts, and they're pretending that they may be the real estate agent within your transaction. So it's affecting buyers. A lot of times buyers are having monies for earnest money or monies for down payment that are being, they're being deceived to send that money and wire that money to the wrong place. It's happening sometimes to title offices where they're getting bad information from these fraudsters pretending to be real estate agents and then wiring the money to the wrong place. Title companies have gotten much better at preventing this, but it still is something that buyers and sellers, specifically buyers, are susceptible to. So if you're buying in or selling real estate, it's something you want to talk to your real estate agent about, something that they should be talking to their title company about. If you're a real estate agent, the reason that this is really important for you to be aware of is that everybody hears about wire fraud and kind of talks about it at a high level, but the reality is if there's a wire fraud loss for one of your clients and your email was a reason for that, then you're on the hook for the majority of that monies that's gone. That's going to be your liability. There was a recent court case, which I'll put in the comments below so you can check it out, that says, and the ruling was just that. The ruling was that these real estate agent was liable for the losses of their client because their email was hacked. So one thing that we've done at World Class Title is we're very integral in partnering with a company called SafeChain and creating a product called SafeWire. And so what SafeWire does, it authenticates buyers and sellers to make sure that their money gets to it's supposed to get to and gets where it's supposed to get to. So again, if you're working with a real estate agent, make sure that they're using some type of sophisticated email prevention. Make sure that they're working with title companies that are authenticating buyers and sellers digitally and electronically, and they have systems in place to get these things done. If your title companies can't answer some of these basic questions around how they're keeping your buyers and sellers' money safe, and that client gets their money stolen, how will that affect your business? The reality is that it's crushing. If your seller loses $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 of their seller proceeds, that's not going to be pretty, and it's going to negatively affect your business. So I don't want to be all doom and gloom on episode 8, but I wanted to bring some awareness to a really real situation that's happening right now. So the good thing about doing 81 more videos is I'm going to bring in some of the folks from SafeWire and let them talk about the product and talk a little bit more about what we're doing here at World Class Title to keep our clients and their clients' money safe. So that's all I got today. I don't know what I'm going to be talking about tomorrow, but I hope you all have a great day.